derivation. Derive the expression for Laplace transform of periodic function. Laplace of L of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus of e raised to minus of st integration of 0 to t e raised to minus of st f of t into dt, where t is a periodic function. ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? So to derive the periodic function of this concept, right? ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ನಿ. To prove Laplace of f of t is equal to this. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಎದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಐತಿ? L of f of t ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಐತಿ. It means Laplace transform ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಐತಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥಿಯರಂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ by using definition of Laplace transform. To prove this by using definition of Laplace transform. ಈ theorem prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ by using definition of Laplace transform. So what is that definition of Laplace transform? Laplace of L of f of t is equal to integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus of st into f of t dt. So this is the definition of Laplace. Using this I want to prove it is this, right? So Laplace L of f of t is symbolically denoted by another symbol, Laplace transform into another symbol. So I can use f of s. F of x is equal to Laplace of f of t. I can use, then between, this is the area, so between 0 to infinity having set of numbers means period, so I can choose capital T. Between, I don't know t first period ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, second period ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, third period ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. period ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ periodic ಅಂತ ಐತಿ ಆ ಏರಿಯಾದ first period second period. so 0 to t then t to infinity ಏರಿಯಾನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಇದು ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾನ between 0 to infinity ಒಂದು finite period ತಗೋಬೇಕು. so I can choose 0 to t between 0 to infinity. so I can write 0 to t, so e raised to minus of st into f of t dt plus t to infinity e raised to minus of st into f of t dt. Isn't it? Is it? Next to, so Laplace of f of s. So it is not a Laplace 0 to t, so e raised to minus of st into f of t dt plus, so should convert in the form of Laplace definition 0 to infinity in terms of t to infinity. So keep as it is. So I can use like this. Call this equation 1. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನ Laplace transform ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 0 to infinity in terms of t to infinity in terms of 0 to infinity. ಇದೇನೈತಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ definition of Laplace ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. t to infinity in terms of 0 to infinity. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. put small t is equal to, so some variable u plus period t. Then differentiate with respect to variable, so dt is equal to dy, right? So ಇವಾಗ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಈಗ. so t is equal to u plus t ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ, so ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? u is equal to, so t minus of this capital T. so when in my way, so t is equal to u plus t, variable u is equal to t minus of capital T. so when t is equal to capital T ಆದಾಗ, t is equal to capital T ಆದಾಗ u is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? t minus of t, it is 0. when t is equal to infinity ಆದಾಗ u is equal to infinity minus of t, so it is infinity. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ? 0 to t, capital T ಇದ್ದಲೆ u plus t ಹಾಕೋರಿ, f of t ಇದ್ದಲೆ f of t in terms of u plus t ತುಂಬಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, right? therefore equation 1 becomes so f of s Laplace, so that equal to integration of 0 to t e raised to minus of st into f of t dt plus, right? So capital T, when t is equal to capital T adaga, so that is 0, t minus of t, so it bardille, so it is 0. When t is equal to infinity adaga, again it is infinity, e raised to minus of s t, t in terms of u plus t, right? So into function f of t plus u, u plus t into dt, right? So I can write another, so f of s is equal to integration of 0 to t e raised to minus of st f of t dt plus 0 to infinity e raised to minus of su minus of st. So I can apply period. F of x plus t can be written as f of x. So by using this data I can write f of u into du. So it is du. Because of, by definition of periodic function, so f of x plus t is equal to f of x barkodala, and same f of u plus t is equal to, so I can use f of u, replace in just in terms of this. So make a rubber board something. So f of s is equal to 0 to t e raised to minus of st into f of t into dt plus split ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ 0 to infinity e raised to minus of su into e raised to minus of st into f of u into du. Here containing which variable? So it is du, du ಅಷ್ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. So f of s is equal to 0 to t e raised to minus of st into f of t dt plus, so ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ e raised to minus of st into 0 to infinity e raised to minus of su into f of u into du, right? Clear? So then keep as it is, f of s that equal to 0 to t, so e raised to minus of st into f of t dt plus e raised to minus of st, so this one is 0 to infinity e raised to minus of st into f of t dt by using definition of Laplace. So I'll t in terms of ಏನಂತಿಲ್ಲ u other, so I can use function f of s. L of f of u can recognize it is f of s. So same the f of s ಐತಿ, f of s ಐತಿ, ನಿಚೆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. F of s minus of e raised to minus of st into f of s that equal to 0 to t e raised to minus of st into f of t dt, right? So f of s is taking common 1 minus of e raised to minus of st, so that equal to 0 to t e raised to minus of st into f of t, it is a dt, right? ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. f of s is equal to, it is this, replace f of s in terms of L of f of t, we get L of f of t 1 divided by 1 minus of e raised to minus of st into integration of 0 to t e raised to minus of st into f of t dt. This completes the theorem and see proof. Thank you.